it going, everybody? We are taking a little trip up Sky Meadow Drive. Pretty sure I've been up this road once before. It will run into Lodge Road. I did a little video on that some time ago. I will include in the description. It's April 3rd, Friday. You all probably won't see this until next week, at least. But yeah, we're in the middle of this lockdown. I haven't left my house pretty much in 3 weeks or so, and needed to get out. Wanted to take a quick little ride. It's going to rain this weekend, and it rained last weekend, so I didn't know if I was gonna have much of a chance to ride, so I figured I'd take a quick little run out of my house. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I've been down this road once before, but it's been so long I don't remember. I'm told that there's some decent views up here, so we'll see what we find. Yeah, locked down 3 weeks. Crazy time. Still working, thankfully, full time. So I haven't just got off a little bit ago. It's Friday afternoon. Trying to get a ride in before the sun goes down. Really shouldn't be anybody coming around these corners since this road is supposed to be closed, but never know, I guess. Authorized vehicles only. Seems like there's a bit going on over there, kind of interesting. I guess this is where it continues on. Not entirely sure. We may not be on Skyview anymore, but we'll see where this goes. Considered making another attempt at the Laurel Tunnel. Yeah, I believe, yeah, I've definitely been through here before. I think if you go this way, this is what leads you to Lodge Road. I may be wrong. But I've certainly seen that little T. And this is where the road is closed. I suspect this is why the signs are up on both this end and the Lodge Road end. be the Lodge Road end. It's the I believe we're on Lodge Road again. I think that must have been the little barn. So anyway, there you have it. Just a quick one. Trying to get out of the house, out of the quarantine. If you like this sort of stuff, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.